Hey there, my name is Howard Hale, creator of 10X Your Company. You know, this show is specifically designed for business owners to talk about their expertise and how they've 10X their business. Here's what I'm thinking. This spot right here is specifically for you. If you want to be on this show, all you got to do is call the number down below and we can talk about what it looks like and how you can get started. So, what are you waiting for? Call the number.
And so I know so many companies that have hired salespeople and failed and had to fire the salesperson because they were frustrated with their performance because they're asking them to do the entire funnel. When what they really need is they need a marketing company or person to do the top end of the funnel and have that pass off to a salesperson once the customer says, hey, I want to buy.
Well, it's funny. So I spend a lot of time thinking about marketing mix for small business owners. And if you're an author or if you're a professional speaker, you're running a small business. And Brian Tracy actually said this to me while we were riding in the back of a limo working on a contract deal many years ago. He said that the day I stop marketing my business will drop off 50%. So I give a lot of thought to what different types of marketing activities we should be doing as business owners that work.
One of the things that I saw a lot of people do is they'd wait until they were in trouble before they went to get help. And in fact, when I did my research, one of the things we discovered is that of the two things that are correlated to success in early stage businesses, one is keeping your overhead as low as possible, but the second was the use of outside advisors.